OK， 2018年第43條題目就話 John 同 Mary 輪流掉一個骰仔 ，which 其中一個掉到1或者6。咁如果 John 掉骰仔先，咁就要你揾 John get 到6嘅 probability。咁因為 John 掉骰仔先啦，咁所以咧，如果佢一擊即中，咁個機率就係1/6。咁如果佢唔係一擊即中嘅話咧 ，let's say 可能佢第二 round 先掉到嘅，咁佢掉到6嘅機率咧，因為第一次唔可以擲到1同埋6噶嘛，咁所以其實機率就係4/6。咁然後啊 Mary 又係唔可以掉到1或者6啦，咁所以 probability 又係4/6。然後再輪翻阿 John 嗰陣先變翻1/6。咁如果佢係第3 round 先掉到個6咧，咁 probability 就係4/6。咁今次就係經歷4次4/6先到翻阿 John 1/6。咁啊如此類推落去，其實呢個係一個無限嘅 sequence 嚟嘅。咁 which 呢個 sequence 嘅 first term 係1/6，然後 common ratio 就係4/6乘4/6。咁我哋只要當呢個係一個 infinite sequence 咁樣做咧，咁個 probability 就係 first term 即係1/6 over 一減 common ratio 即係4/9，咁就等於1/6 over 5/9，咁就等於3/10。咁所以咧答案就係 C 啦。